Welcome back to the Nutritious Yogi Kitchen, where it's always about food as medicine for the entire family. And it is taco night. And I want to show you a very no-fuss way to put together a gorgeous little taco night kind of meal that's healthy and that the whole entire family will enjoy.
I'm going to show you all how we do taco night here. So we begin with, while everybody's waiting to eat, we snack on some of our tortillas, and then we move into the actual tacos themselves, which are made using the almond flour Siete wraps. Now, they also have cassava and they have chickpea, but we love this brand for their gluten-free, grain-free products that use avocado oil, no industrialized seed oils, and are made with whole, real foods. Using this as the base, I'm going to show you how we put together the meal. And this is great for vegetarians, for the carnivores, for the gluten-free, for the vegans, and for the vegetarians. It really does not matter because we do a buffet. Starting with the fixins here, I've got some organic pickled jalapeno peppers. I have some purple onions, some organic cherry tomatoes, of course, some greens, some salad greens, just diced really fine, and some raw milk cheese, shredded. All of the things that I'm using are going to be in the description below for brands. A little bit of lime on top. What else do we have here? Here we go, some chopped up cilantro. Now moving into the proteins. Today I do this all ahead of time. This is just using the Siete spices. I do some ground beef. This is just ground up grass-fed beef. And I was using this actually this morning to make a chili with, so I reserved some to make these tacos with. And then this is just plain for those who don't like spicy. So again, we're trying to accommodate everyone here. This is just chopped up organic chicken. We have some sour cream. If you're not a fan of sour cream, you can do like a dairy-free type of sour cream, or even a dairy-free cream cheese would go well here. A yogurt I've used before. Full fat, I always go. And now for the vegetarian, let's look up here. So this is the Siete, again, the refried. These are the black beans. And you'll find you need to add no spices at all because in the can, it already comes all spiced up and it's delicious. We have, again, some tomatoes, mango. You'd be so surprised how delicious that is. Sweet potato, and then just roasted vegetables here. Sweet potato and roasted cauliflower. This is just from a leftover that I have, and I'm just gonna leave them out and people can take what they want.
Big hit, of course, are your fajita vegetables.
And then these are my favorite things. Literally, I could take a bath in these. They're amazing. This is the enchilada sauce, sort of like a tomatillo salsa, sort of like that. And this one is the enchilada, the red enchilada sauce. So you could just go to town with all of these. And now the way I build it, take my cast iron skillet here. So this is not on the stove yet. I'm just kind of showing you how I do it. I like to put the tortilla down, add all my fillings, put another tortilla on top, and then let that sizzle away with some avocado oil in it, flip it over, and you have yourself the most delicious little taco, or really whatever you want. You can even call it kind of like a stuffed quesadilla. Whatever it's called, it's pretty damn delicious. Kids come upstairs, the rest of the family, everyone can just grab what they want, put it on a plate, and then we sizzle it on the stove. So personalized tacos is the way to go. Yeah, go ahead, go for it. Yeah, go for it.
Cheese, I want cheese, I want.
Go ahead, take the cheese and put it on. I know, what are those?
There's always lemons with the tacos.
That's a lime. Go ahead, go to town, guys. Absolutely. Almost forgot, the kids actually really like these other dipping sauces on the side of their little tacos, right?
And those two.
Yeah, and those two.
All of that.
And those two as well.
Dipped in both of them.
Okay. that's gone. So for my second one, what I will often do is just make a kind of like a taco salad. So I will just do my greens. I will do some tomato like this. I'll do a little bit of red onion, a little bit of cheese. You see where I'm going with this. And then a little bit of mango. My God, this looks amazing. And then a little bit of whatever protein I haven't had. So like a Southwest salad would be great with a little bit of the ground beef.
So how super fun was that? Make sure you like and subscribe for more wellness, and we'll see you soon.